In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Instagram application not opening. The process is simple. So before we begin, first make sure you're connected with the internet. And once you're connected with the internet, open up your Play Store application. Now once you've opened your Play Store application, type in Instagram on Play Store. And once you've typed in Instagram, all you need to do is to update your Instagram app. You will see the option that says update. You click on it and update your Instagram app. Once you are done updating it, all you need to do is to go back and click and hold on your Instagram application for a few seconds. And you will see the option that says app info. Click on app info. Once you click on it, it will bring you to your app info page. So now once you are here on your app info page, click on permissions. Now you will see all your permissions here. So all you need to do now is to click and allow all permissions right here. Once you've allowed all permissions here, go back and you will see the option that says storage and cache. Click on it. Now once you are here, all you need to do is to click on clear storage. Once you are done clearing storage, you go back and open your Instagram application. Once you've opened your Instagram application, all you need to do is to log in to your Instagram application and it will work normal. So this is how to fix Instagram application that is not opening. If this video helped you out, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you.